How to buy Icon token, ICX. Beginner's Guide. Icon is a decentralized blockchain network focused on interoperability. With Icon's blockchain transmission protocol, independent blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum can connect and transact with each other. This opens up cross-chain use cases that are impossible without an interoperability layer like Icon. Icon Network describes itself as a general-purpose blockchain protocol based in the native cryptocurrency ICX that can run smart contracts, adopt the BFTDPoS delegated proof-of-stake consensus protocol, and use an economic governance protocol called DPoC delegated proof of contribution. The Icon network is powered by a proprietary blockchain engine called Loopchain and has the ability to handle hundreds of transactions per second. The Icon project was started to ensure the integrity and transparency of data shared between institutions and companies, and to move mutual assets on heterogeneous blockchains without a centralized organization. In the long term, Icon Network aims to become an interchain that connects multiple blockchains based on BTP technology. The Icon blockchain is powered by Loopchain, a blockchain engine designed by ICONLOOP. ICONLOOP is responsible for Loopchain's government and enterprise adoption in South Korea. Loopchain is the sole metropolitan government standard blockchain platform. Quick guide: how to buy ICX. Get some Bitcoin to exchange for this cryptocurrency. Register for an account with an exchange like Binance. Enable two-factor authentication. Click on Funds and select Deposits. Select Deposit Coin. Copy the wallet address or scan the QR code. Transfer BTC into your account. Click Exchange and select Basic. Search for the pair you want to trade. Select a limit, market or stop limit order. Enter the amount you want to buy. Review transaction details. Confirm your purchase. Where to buy ICX. Comparing exchanges can help you find the right fit for your needs. We've looked at more than 20 exchanges, and you can sort our comparison table by deposit method, fiat currency support and crypto support. You can find ICX tokens on the following crypto in the video description.